Recently, my OnePlus 9 5G mobile got spoiled after giving to a local repairer. Then I was in distress. I didn't know what to do. Then I came to know about MobiSpares.com from Bangalore. When I contacted, they assured me they will put the new fresh motherboard and get it repaired at the earliest. So they arranged me pick and drop service for the mobile, which happened within 10 days. Now I received back my repaired mobile, it is back to the original form. I am very happy with the repair from MobiSpares.com Bangalore. Thank you very much for your great and wonderful service.